The air in Wānaka, New Zealand, carried the crisp, clean scent of the Southern Alps. It was a familiar smell, one that had been woven into the fabric of the family's life for over 2 decades. They had watched Wānaka grow from a sleepy holiday town into a bustling hub, its quiet streets now humming with the energy of a new generation. Their old home, a place of countless memories, no longer fit this new reality. It felt small and out of place, a relic of a bygone era. Yet, the emotional connection to the land, to the views of the Buchanan Peaks and the shimmering expanse of Lake Wānaka, remained as strong as ever. It was this deep-seated affinity for the locality that led them to Roberts Gray Architects. They didn't just want a new house, they wanted a home that would honor their past while embracing the future, a place that would feel timeless and deeply rooted in its surroundings. Architect Jimmy Gray understood this desire intimately, having spent his own holidays in this very region. He knew that Wānaka was a place of extremes, where scorching summer days gave way to freezing winter nights. He knew it was a place for outdoor living, for water skiing on the lake and carving fresh tracks in the snow. But the site itself presented a fascinating paradox. Located on the edge of the town center, it was undeniably urban. This duality became the driving force behind the design of the Wānaka S.K.I. house. The architects envisioned a residence that would stand its ground against the formidable natural landscape while also serving as a private sanctuary from the nearby township. It was a place to both engage with the world and retreat from it. The journey to the front door was intentionally orchestrated, a deliberate transition from the public to the private. A stark, linear brick wall, an uncompromising line against the sky, announced the shift. Behind it, a lightweight screen stretched from east to west, a veil of privacy that hinted at the world within without giving too much away. It was a theatrical entrance, a staged reveal that built anticipation with every step. Passing through the covered opening in the screen felt like stepping into another world. The home didn't immediately present itself in its entirety. Instead, it unfolded slowly, a sequence of spaces that drew you deeper inside. An outdoor courtyard and terrace, sheltered from the prevailing northwesterly wind, served as a gentle introduction, a liminal space between the outside world and the family's inner sanctum. The home itself was a masterful composition of voids and masses. At the front, a 2-story masonry edifice stood as a private retreat for the clients. This was their sanctuary, a place where they could enjoy the panoramic views in peace, away from the hustle and bustle of family life. But the rest of the home was on a single, expansive level, designed for seamless flow and easy connection. Guest bedrooms, each with its own private courtyard, were tucked away to the west, providing a sense of seclusion for visitors. The heart of the home, however, was the open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area. This was the nexus of family life, a space designed for togetherness and celebration. It opened onto a sprawling lawn at the rear, a direct connection to the outdoors that felt both intentional and effortless. Jimmy Gray described the solid forms of the house, the bedrooms, lounges, and bathrooms, as static zones, places of escape and quiet contemplation. The lightweight forms that linked these spaces, the corridors and courtyards, were the transitional elements, the arteries of the home that guided the experience and framed the most beautiful aspects of the site. This interplay of light and shadow, of solid and void, created a diversity of spaces that could be enjoyed throughout the year. The kitchen, in particular, was a testament to this thoughtful design. For a family of passionate cooks, it was built to work hard, yet it maintained an air of informality and warmth. Every element was considered, from the integrated Fisher and Paykel column refrigerator and freezer, which disappeared seamlessly into custom oak cabinetry, to the striking Fisher and Paykel oven and cooktop, which were celebrated as focal points. The sleek, refined appliances complemented the quiet, tactile timber-lit space, never once detracting from its beauty. At the center of the kitchen, a sculptural island bench anchored the room. Clad in silver river marble, with a brushed vertical face and a smooth top, it was a piece of art in itself. The rich veining of the stone was a deliberate nod to the rivers and mountains of the South Island, a constant reminder of the region's breathtaking identity. This island wasn't just for preparing food, it was a gathering place, a hub of conversation and connection. The kitchen's proximity to the dining and lounge areas fostered a casual atmosphere, perfect for a holiday home. In the summer, the internal experience bled outwards onto the terrace and the grassy expanse beyond. A DCS grill on the terrace made outdoor cooking a breeze, and the screen provided much-needed shelter from the wind. This outdoor space was the soul of the home, a direct link to the family's previous residence. We resisted the urge to build up with a balcony, Gray explained, because there's this great connection to the lawn where kids can spill out and play cricket. This choice wasn't just about functionality, it was about maintaining a sense of community. From the backyard, there was a palpable ease, a neighborly connection that spoke to a different way of life. It was a place where you could meander between the houses or go next door to borrow milk or drop in for a coffee. It was an open-door policy, a continuation of a tradition that had always defined their time in Wānaka. And so, the Wānaka S.K.I. house stood as a new chapter in a long-standing family story. It was a home that was both a sanctuary and a celebration, a retreat from the world and a deeply embedded part of it. It was a place built for longevity and contextual relevance, a testament to the enduring power of family and the timeless allure of the Southern Alps. After an adventure like that, it's always fun to look back and see how far we've come. From that first spark of an idea to the final project, it's been a journey of discovery. But this isn't just about what we built, it's about the feeling it creates, the sense of home and family it holds within its walls. I hope you enjoyed this tour as much as I did. If you're a fan of architecture, design, or just beautiful stories, let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. And if you're not already, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's the best way to make sure you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep dreaming big and finding the beauty in the world around you.